Hello friends, welcome back to Python on Phone programming series. In the previous class, we have seen how to define a list in Python. So in this class, we will see how we can sort a list of elements. Okay, so for that, let's open the editor and now let's define a list. So like this, so you can see here, I have a list with 8 elements, 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 8, 7, 9. Okay, so this is not a sorted list. Okay guys, so if you notice here, so elements are not in the ascending order or descending order. Okay, so now I want to sort this list in the ascending order. How can we do it? So which means when I run this program, I mean after running this program, the output should be 1 2 3 4 5 7 8 9. Okay, so we need to sort this one. How can we do it? So for sorting a list in Python, there is a function called sort. Okay, we can simply use that function to sort the elements. Let's see this, guys. So I have list one. You just need to say dot sort. Okay, after that, let's print the list one. Now save the program. So here I will say like list sort.py. Okay, I'm saving it here. And now run the program. Do you notice it, guys? So you got the elements all sorted here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Very simple. We just need to use a function called sort. That's all, guys. I mean, that is how you can sort a list in Python programming. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care.